I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question on cofunctions identity from Unit Test 7, MHF4U. Question is, write 4 different cofunction identities for minus cos x. So for writing 4 different, we could write in terms of cosine and sine. We want negative cos x as our answer basically. So that means if we are using cosine function, then we get negative values in quadrant 2 and 3, right? So let's first write the cast rule, or we can say all are positive in quadrant 1, sine is positive in quadrant 2, tan in quadrant 3, and cos in quadrant 4. So this will actually help us to figure out and get the answer. So we want equivalent expressions for minus cos x, right? So in terms of cosine, we can always write cos of pi plus x, because cos is negative here. We could also write this as cos of pi minus x, right? Both of them will be negative, right? So that means we are talking about these two values, correct? So that is one possibility, right? So this is pi minus x, and that one is pi plus x for the cos values. In terms of sine, we could write this as, since we need negative from sine, we could write this as sine of x minus pi by 2. So if you're looking in sine function, let me make another reference frame here. So if you're looking for sine, then sine is negative in these two quadrants, correct? So sine x minus pi by 2, if this is my, let us say this is my x value, right? So x minus pi by 2 will be moving in this direction. So sine x minus pi by 2 will be one of the solutions. The other one, we could also use this as sine x plus 3 pi by 2, right? So we could go like this also, correct? And then land up here, right? So that is also possible. So, but do not land in quadrant 2, because in quadrant 2 sine is positive. Is that okay? So we could do x plus 3 pi by 2. So x plus 3 pi by 2, so this is x, and then we move 3 pi by 2, that means by another. So that means 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, and 3 pi by 2. So we land up here back to the same position. Is that okay? So that could be a co-function identity for the given situation. So whenever you take away the angle from pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, sine becomes cos. But when you do so from pi, cos remains cos. So these are equivalent expressions for minus cos x. I hope that helps. Thank you.